Now let's talk about how you can get a video back from your iCloud. Let's explain that because I've seen a bunch of people talking about this and asking this question. So you should know that iCloud is a service which syncs all of your data, including photos and videos, to a cloud, right? And the way that it works is that it just keeps on uploading the data and the photos from your phone. And once your phone gets full, like the local storage gets full, it will delete some portion of the older videos and photos because these are on iCloud, right? So it doesn't matter. And you can keep on recording more and more stuff, right? So this is how it works. And inside of the Photos app, you don't necessarily see, it's not clear to know and distinguish which photo is stored locally and which photo is on the cloud. This is why it's getting a little confusing. So what I like to do is to separate it all together, and instead I just open up Safari web browser, and there I just type in iCloud.com. This allows me to click on the sign in button, and I can use my Face ID to just scan my face and get inside. So once I'm here, I just browse the photos section, and since I'm on the cloud, I can be sure that these photos and videos I can see right here are most definitely on the cloud only. So what I can do is just to select the photos or just tap on one individual one and just download them back to my Photos or Files app of the iPhone. So this is how I can technically get them back. However, if you don't like this confusion, what you can do is to open up the settings and tap on your name at the top, go to iCloud, then find Photos, and turn off the synchronization feature altogether. This is going to make sure that your photos stay stored locally on the phone and they don't get uploaded anywhere, they don't get managed, deleted, or anything like that. Everything stays as it is. When the storage gets full, well, it is full, but at least you can see clearly what's going on. So this is my idea. This is how I personally like to do it. So let me know below in the comments if you have it similar or if you would like to see some more videos about this as well. Subscribe and let me know about that. And I'll see you later. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you soon.